Yeah, good day. Welcome to Multi-Net Design, the continuation of our Plaza we are working on. In the last episode, we were able to bring some windows, then create this cover up for canopy so that we'll be able to cover most of this area that the workings, the circulations are going to take place, preventing them from to be able to see the skylights. So things like that. Now, what we do here today in this one is that I want to little work a detail on the site, so I don't neglect it to the very end. So we have some proposed activities that we have started on it from beginning, so we want to develop it a little bit, creating car park, adjust some of those things and bringing some relief to some area that's needed. So we want to base our strategy idea on that one for today. So what to do first is that we want to put car park in this space. So what we do here is I'm not going to use most of this for what's it called, annotate again. I want to work directly from the modeling part. So I'm going to use this flower to create the boundary completely so I'll be able to see it and then use it to work from there to get the final position. So I'm going to go to foundation, then say edit. So this is the editing aspect. So I'll go here and say edit extrusion. So here now I'll pick, then start doing the needful. Good for here. So good from here too. So what will I do? I'll set it just like I have 700 with copy on this level and on this level. So I will do the same thing by drawing. Let me just draw this straight up, just direct drawing. So I'm going to trim, then trim, then trim. So I'll trim here too, and then I think I have this in place. So look that. So what is the issue? It's telling me something that's not working. So I don't know what that will be, but let me just check and do this. Okay, I think this is where I have issue. So I will return it. Just put that on it from the width and then it's finished. So on the 3D now, I think I have the sites regulated places. So now I want to start creating this relief one after the other. So here from here now, let's go back to the sites configuration before we do. So from here now, I will have a step from here. The level I'm going to have here is different from this. So I'm going to have some level to this point. So I will create this one, say just click finish. Okay. So what I need now is that I will create again. Just say and create similar. So what I'm doing is this placement. I can go to site and let me see whether I have site here. I think I have. So I can go to site. I'll say okay. So from here now it's not going to be the same level with this. So I'm going to click here and say create extrusion. Almost everything we do here, we don't use extrusion to do that because it's easy to manipulate and easy to. So extrusion is going to be used here. Then at this place too. And I will draw this down. So like this. Remember at the back we're going to have a staff car park. So it's going to be there. So I'm not going to use this to cover the main, so because all of them have their own different functions. So this is going to be like this. So let me just use a pick line to do the remaining one. Pick this. So I will trim around and I get it balanced. I think this one is okay. So I align this to be at the wall parts. So I think with that I'm done. So if it's anything, it will tell me that I'm not accurate. So same, let's continue. So this is where the issue comes from. Good. So I will say finish. So here I will change the category of this. So you get. So here now it's like a bit of steps. So what I just need to do is to get another category material for that. So here let me just use this aluminium thing. to get to that 3D and see what we have there. So this is what we are having. So from here now, if it's the balance is okay for you, now you can just increase it by saying 500. I see. So later we may come back and still do some adjustments, depending the time we are going to get to this, to everything done. So this is just what we want to have at this level. So we create some parts here too that we just work your leg 1, 2, like 3, then you enter, you do whatever you want to do here. As the sum of part of this place too are going to be higher, which is normal. So let's go to sites. So there's no parking here, because when you park here, you enter here, you use your legs to walk around. So that's what we do. So now when we go back to this position, so what do we do next is that we are going to create. So since we are creating site issue, so let me just continue with my modeling. So what I do now is that I will create a parking space, just 3 meter will be okay. 3 meter. Yes, that's what I want. So now let's take it from there. Okay, 3 meter. This is going to be like 4,005. Let me just use 5,000. The maximum length of any car. Okay, 5,000. So we move it here. So what do you need to do? You now decide to like the curve for that park line. So you get that in place. So you get that orientation right now. So if you click finish, will you have any issue with you? Yes, it's okay. So edit it back. So now what we do now, we copy from here and say copy from this edge into this edge to this edge. It doesn't matter again, because at least appropriate 3 meter will be done, whether less or I think that's okay for that. So what we do is that you copy everything here, then you move it from here to this position. So from there again, you move it. So from here to remove it. So whatever that you mean, you know what to do by adjusting it. So I'm going to remove this one from the point. So let this one be. Then what I do now is that I will copy here and I will now mirror it so that I will have it in opposite side. Oh, sorry, it's rubbish. So I'm going to do this only this one. I'll just say mirror. So mirror. So from here now, I will click from here. So it's going to be, all these places are going to be for parking space, except for this one that we enter from under. So the upper aspect is deck up. So I have it like that in that position. So the walkway, I'm going to create a walkway somewhere that will start from each side. So we can park, then come a circle and things like that. So before then, I want to remove this one in the middle. So I will copy these two, but to replicate what I want them to replicate. The last one. Okay, I think that's okay. So I can now copy this as well. Then say copy, mirror it so I have the complete vertical. Press enter. So move for me. I place it here. So it should be somewhere here. So like that. So you remove this one. Now pick it. So you take this one like this and you copy. Oh, sorry. That's a big. So I'm going to like move it. So I will now allow it so that the car that coming will be able to park at this one. So just say copy now. Okay, let me say copy. Let me just omit one so I'll be able to copy successfully. So I'll copy this one from here. Use it here. And the last one. but I'm going to remove because I'm going to have some surfaces at this side. Okay, so as I have done with that one now, what else do I need to do? I need to mirror this one so that we go to the opposite side. Okay, so you remember I said the parking is somewhere going to be here, so you know, like park here, so that whenever you move you park around here. Whatsoever you do there, it is yours and it's yours to maintain. So I think we can now release this. So when we look at it from 3D, do we have anything? Okay, so that's the curve aspect of what we have created. So this one is 250, so we can reduce this to 50. Good. So just going to demonstrate what we have at this level. So now let us have normal land for this. So I'm going to click finish. I just want to use normal. So I'm going to go to massing and sites. Then I will use topo surface. So from the topo surface, I'm going to put a point. So from here, I'm going to reduce it because I have, what is the elevation mark for me? So what did I have? Minus 1000. So that's what I'm going to do. So from here now, click here and I will say minus 1000. That I'll have it below. So everything I do, just the first side, it's okay for me. So that's it. So when we look at it from here now, we balance it up. So everything is under that. So with material, we can change it later. So select the material and change it to something that will fit you. So just like picking, let me just use this normal green. So later on, I will adjust and change the whole system and change the whole activities. So for now, it's just normal green area, but later we work on it. So that's just what I want to teach at this level. See that those things are coming out little by little. In the next tutorial, we do justice to most of them. So this is just the car park for now that we are able to do. So but for this momentum, that is something I quickly need to do. Let me just quickly work on that one. Let's say create similar, come here, just want to use casement, okay, and say okay, this 2, go to foundation and foundation. From here now, I'll still use extrusion, so I just want to use demarcate the road, so you get. So from there now, I have let me just use this one, say copy. So I will offset it by 9000. So if I offset it by 9000, it's too much for me. Okay, let me just offset it by 5000. Let me see how far it goes. I think 5000 is okay. Yes. So I'll offset by 5000. So here now we offset this one by 1000. So just like so, I'm gonna have this one here like that. So the next thing I need to do is that I will now draw a straight line in here. So you get. So I'll do the same thing here as well. So what have I done here is that I will reduce this one to 1000. Yes. So what this means, I will just trim or two. So you park, enter like this, you can manage your way out again. So that's just what I just quickly do here. So that we not just go and be having. So that is it. So at this side, there can be street lights in their area. Good. So let's do the needful and give it a befitting. Okay, and that's just it for now. I think with this, I can just say click finish. So okay, continue. We have issue. So I will continue for now. So let me just click finish. So on the 3D, if I look at it from 3D, so I think I have this one now. It's okay. So the material later I will do work on that material. But let me quickly do by bringing street lights. So that thing will be synonym for something. So click architecture components. If we have it there, we use it. If we do not have, then we go and check whether it's available. I think we have street light now. So you can bring street light here. So what do you need next? You put it another one here. So from here now you copy this one. So that to copy at the regular interval. Copy. So you start pasting it from edge to edge. So you get to the last point. So from there you see the beauty of what we have created. So select multiple so that you know with this delaying ourselves. We'll copy here, then paste it here. We have another one, so we'll paste it here. So anyone that is not having space to stay, we remove it. So before we come back and come and do the remaining one. So this is how the site look like for now. You can click on 3D. You see that that's some little bit of relief measurement. So by the time we have flower and everything, you see we create something. So the green area is going to go when we bring another complete thing to evolve. So for now, this is what we have. So just want to work on the site a little bit before we proceed. So time for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.